Hey everyone, so about a year ago I built a really cute modded Minecraft town, but then I accidentally opened it on vanilla Minecraft, so all the modded blocks just disappeared. So I'm going to show you what's left of the town and start rebuilding the library. So to get started off, these are my modded dogs. Here's a little boxer, I think he's so cute. All of these, like, just look at them, they're adorable. This is like a cute little pug. And if you go up here, that was supposed to be the beach. This, it was supposed to be like cute, like kind of witch's tower slash what are they called? Ugh, red and white things. Light for the sailors, you know. But anyways, so continue the lookout. It's glitched. Anyways, yeah, just showing you this little town. You can see the fairy forest that was there. More of a close up. Okay, now let's get back to the village. Oh my gosh, it was so laggy. I ended up actually changing the video settings after this. But anyways, this used to be like a pink diner. That was the library. That was... I honestly don't remember. This was a flower shop, so a little florist. That used to be an ice cream parlor. And down here was our farmer area, and there was a little house hut type thing underneath the ice cream parlor for the farmers to live. There was something under the florist. Over here I had these really cute houses that were like so good, so detailed, and now they're just gone. They're just skeletons, which really sucks, so I'm gonna have to rebuild those. And back over to here, this is just a walkway through the stores. And this was what I was talking about before, the fairy forest. So it's really like lit up, fairy lights, flowers, you name it. This was like a little crop area with like a wagon. Got a fountain. There was a shop there. I think it was like a, I don't know. Then there was a boba store just there. This was the armor shop. And that, yeah, these are just the buildings. I don't really remember what they were because this was like almost a year ago. And I just haven't been game to open it since because of how sad it's gonna make me. That ship just spawned there, so I decided to make it like a museum type thing, you know, like a display, old country town type thing. Over here was this really cool barn, like, oh my gosh. In here there's just a bunch of different pens. Got my sheep, horses, pigs, all our farm animals. Then, yeah, this is just like the roof, and that, I think that was a moss, yeah, that was moss blocks on the roof. So right now I have the mods texture pack on, which I actually didn't use, but, you know, I forgot about it, so I just had it on. Okay, so this was the library, and this is all that's left. You got the wooden floor and the roof. And that's where I realized the mod hadn't actually loaded properly again. You can see it's just vanilla blocks. There's supposed to be arrows to show like the other modded sections, which if you have modded Java, you like know what I'm talking about. So yeah, just had to fix that. And anyways, it's reloaded. Okay, so let's get building. These are the modded blocks that I was talking about before. Okay, I'm gonna start with like the walls. Let's just do a little time lapse actually of the building. Okay guys, this is the final product of the library. So I'm going to show you the outside first and then I'll show you guys the inside. Losing nearly my whole modded town was really tough, but this rebuild was actually really fun, so I can't wait to build the rest of the town. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more Minecraft adventures. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!